Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Yenalyn and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film a little Valentine's Day look and I really like how it turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. This way. There we go. So I got a new setup and I'm really excited about it because I was honestly over the white backdrop. It was not my vibe. So yeah, I decided to make this little cute background. Hope you guys like it. But anyways, let's get started. I just primed my eyelids and I didn't set them so they're creasing. And I recently went to Makeup Shack yesterday and I picked up this palette right here. This is the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette and it looks like this. It kind of reminds me of like a Huda Beauty palette, probably like the nude one, but these this was really affordable. And yeah, I'll link it down below, and this is my first time using it. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with Peaches and Pleasure. My fan is on. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I really don't know what I want to do, so I think I'm gonna take some of this shade right here called Desire and I'm gonna pop that on the outer corner. Oh my god, this palette is so freaking pretty. I hope you guys can see the colors and everything because I'm looking at my viewfinder and it looks kind of like bland, but trust me. So this is what we have right now and I'm just gonna keep on packing the color until I like how it's looking, but it's really purplish and yeah, I don't mind it. I'm gonna add some Love Letter by ABH, just a tiny bit because I want it a little bit. Sorry cars are passing outside, but wow, I used only one brush. Go me. But I'm about to switch to a different brush in a little bit. For the lid color, I'm gonna be taking this one right here. I think it's called Fire. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking Fire and this one's called Please Me. If you guys like pinks and purples and like mauve tones, you'll love this palette. And it was super cheap. So I'm pretty much done with the eyes, kind of. I'm gonna do my foundation and then we'll get back to it. Okay, I'm gonna prime with my Toucher primer. This is my favorite primer right now. Pat it in. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. And on top of it, I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Born This Way with my Milani drops. So next it's time to cream contour, and I've been loving the Fit Me concealer. If you watch my drugstore, full face of the drugstore, then I tried this and it came out really pretty. And yeah, I've been using it ever since. And I'm about to pick up more because this is too small. Like, going in with a Makeup Shack T42 and blending that all out. Do you see how pretty that is? You guys already know, going in with my Too Faced Born This Way. I'm in the shade Light Beige. I'm going to add some Tarte Shape Tape. This isn't Fair Neutral, it's really light, but just put it right there. And we're bright. Ready for the day, date night. Okay, and of course I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Banana Bread, and I need a new powder, so please comment down below and tell me what powder you guys like to use because I need a new one. I'm also gonna set my face with my favorite powder. This is the Charlotte Tilbury powder, and look, I hit pan, what the fuck, but it is my favorite powder and it leaves you flawless. Let me get my nails done. I used to always have my nails done, but now they're just so annoying that I don't even miss like long acrylics. Let my nose like chill for a little bit because it's always cracking and whatnot. I've been using the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I've been using, it's so hard to open. The last time I opened it, I left a dent. But I've been using this side right here for my under eyes, and I just recently got this brush. This is the LA Girl 110 brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and brighten my eyes. Okay, so before we move on to contour, I'm gonna be spraying some of this. This is the Olay Mist. I want my whole hair. Oh my god, crazy. Okay, so for my bronzer and contouring, I've been mixing the Hoola bronzer and the MAC, what is this, dark tan, and I really like how it looks. And I also use a MAC 109 brush with it. Since this is a Valentine's Day look, I am going to be using a brighter blush, but I'm going to be taking this one first. This is the L'Oreal Paris Enchanted Blush, and it's in the shade Fantastical. I used this in my last video and I really ended up liking it. And I'm also taking this really bright pink by MAC, which is called I Am a Lover, or I'm a Lover. My highlighter, I'm going to be taking this one. This is Pixie's Delicate Dew. I've been loving this highlighter. See, look. Now I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera, but I wanted to show you guys the lashes. These are lashes by Emery in the style Sky. Okay, I love these lashes. I could still see my eyeshadow, and that's what I wanted. Why do I look so orange? Okay. I look kind of orange, don't I? For the lower lash line, I'm literally gonna do exactly what I did to the top of my crease, and I'm gonna add some black eyeliner. Oh my god, it fucking broke. It's been good time for the family. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna add some of Cocoa Bling by Artist Couture. I'm going to be aligning my lips with the Whirl lip liner by MAC. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using Baddest Beige by Maybelline. Okay, so yesterday I went to TJ Maxx and I was like looking at the makeup aisle and I saw this. Oh my god! This is Groovy by Bare Minerals. And this was actually discontinued, but I found it and I'm so happy because this is my favorite lip gloss. We're done. We're gonna go eat with our friends or our boyfriends, go to the movies, have a little fun. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like this video. I'm not even gonna go change honestly because I'm just gonna stay home. I just got ready to look cute, but I do want to mention that this palette is so freaking cute. Please go pick it up. Highly recommend it. The colors blended out really nicely and I really like how this look turned out. Make sure you like and comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me, and also subscribe. It would make my day. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to follow me on all my social media. I'll leave it on the screen. Bye guys.